House by the dash, coffee steam in the glass, old map folded, freight, sun just starting to rise. Engine hums low and kind, hands loose at 12 and 5, no one waiting on the line, just this ribbon and the time. The road is still warm from the ones who came before, but the miles are all mine. I can take them slow this time. Windows down, air so calm, heart is light as the dawn. I don't need to be anywhere to feel like I belong. Mile sign, green and small, names of towns I've never called. Radio whispers some song, I let it play, hum along. Suitcase half full of clothes, half full of I don't knows. I might stop, I might pass, let the questions roll on past. The road is still warm from the ones who came before, but the miles are all mine. I can take them slow this time. Windows down, air so calm, heart is light as the dawn. I don't need to be anywhere to feel like I belong. I've hurried through years, chasing clocks, swallowing fear. Now the white lines drift like thought, no finish line, just a softer start. The road is still warm from the ones who came before, but the miles are all mine. I can take them slow this time. Windows down, air so calm, heart is light as the dawn. I don't need to be anywhere to feel like I belong. Turn the key, let it purr, whisper thanks to the dirt. If I only reach the next hill, that's enough. That's enough. I will.
Mugs hanging from a crooked hook, maps folded in the dashboard nook, boots by the door, sand in the tread, morning steam rising from the kettle instead. Living light on the road, every mile feels like a home. Got the mountains in my window and a song in my throat. Living light on the road, all I need is what I hold. If I've got you riding shotgun, then the highway is my home. Curtains sway with the passing wind, tiny shelf less like leaving, more like going home. Living light on the road, every mile feels like a home. Got the mountains in my window and a song in my throat. Living light on the road, all I need is what I hold. If I've got you riding shotgun, then the highway is my
Windows down, coffee in a paper cup, cracked blue cooler in the backseat, map folded, but we never look it up. Mile signs blurred, old songs humming low. Your bare feet on the dashboard, sun painting your arm in gold. We don't need directions, just a line where sky meets land. Let the highway make decisions while your hand rests in my hand. If we end up nowhere, that's exactly where we'll stand. We don't need directions, as long as you're here when we land. Two-lane road, trailer parks and rusted barns. The motel with the flickering R. You laugh and say it feels like art. Dust in light, slow dance to the telephone wires. We miss the turn, you kiss my cheek. Maybe this is what we're driving for. We don't need directions, just a line where sky meets land. Let the highway make decisions while your hand rests in my hand. If we end up nowhere, that's exactly where we'll stand. We don't need directions, as long as you're here when we land. Let the tank run low, let the daylight go. Oh, stay, oh, stay. If the stars don't show, we'll make constellations of our own. We don't need directions, just a line where sky meets land. Let the highway make decisions while your hand rests in my hand. If we end up nowhere, promise me we'll understand. We don't need directions, we're already where we plan. Oh. Mile marker leaning, paint chipped, half gone, coffee in a paper cup, toll boost rolled on, radio a faint hum, static then a hymn, your sweater on the back seat, sleeve tucked All these miles without names, just lines on a map I'll never trace. Empty fields, quiet lanes, I'm losing count but I know your face. Yeah, the signs all look the same, but I remember you in every place. All these miles without names still serve you. Billboard saints and fireworks barns, neon buzzing over empty palms. Radio low, just breathing home, nobody here knows my name. Between small town lights, I disappear, just a shadow on a dashboard, rolling clear. Every mile that falls behind feels like another skin I shed tonight, invisible and free, between small town lights. Stop for gas at exit 9. Flies and moths dance around the glass. Clerk says evening like a habit, never really looks up. Dust on my boots, change on the counter, task the key to a bathroom door. Stare at my face in a flickering mirror, hard to tell who I'm driving for. Between small town lights, I disappear, just a shadow on a dashboard, rolling clear. Every mile that falls behind feels like another skin I shed tonight, invisible and free, between small town lights. All these places blur to one, same slow song, same setting sun. If I turned around right now, would anyone notice I was gone? Between small town lights, I disappear, just a shadow on a dashboard, rolling clear. Every mile that falls behind feels like another skin I shed tonight, invisible and free, between small town lights. Steam from the paper coat, fog on the tooling road. You laugh at my crooked nap, say, let's just see where it goes. The sun peeks over the pines, gold on your sleepy hair. Window cracks, my hand on yours, breathing in that mountain air. Morning coffee, mountain air. Nothing in a hurry, nowhere to be but here. You're humming along to a song half remember. I'm watching your smile in the side view mirror. If this is all we ever get, I swear I'll find with morning coffee, mountain air. Now marker 33, clouds hang low and thin. You trace hearts on the dusty glass. Save this day, don't forget. Thermos between our knees, cold on my fingertips, warmth in the way you talk, future in every sip. Morning coffee, mountain air, nothing in a hurry, nowhere to be but here. You're humming along to a song half remembered. I'm watching you smile inside of you mirror. If this is all we ever get, I swear I'm fine with morning coffee, mountain air. Maybe the world can spin too fast, but today is so down for us. Right now the road's the whole wide map, and every turn feels like enough. Northern coffee, mountain air, nothing in a hurry, nowhere to be but here. You're holding along to a song half a number. I'm watching you spot inside you mirror. If this is all we ever get, I swear I'll keep this feeling everywhere I go out there. And every morning coffee, mountain air. Two shirts in a backpack, half folded, half on the floor. I missed the first cheap flight out. Sleeping, book one for tomorrow instead. Maps open on the table, coffee ring on some distant coast. Circle one town, then another, laugh, say we'll see which one we reach. I'm still taking it slow, let the road decide the show. Count the miles by stories, not the ticking of a clock on my phone. If it takes all night to get where we might go, I'm alright, I'm alright. Still taking it slow. Road sign says 30 more minutes. Old barn says pull over here. We trade the plan for a picnic. Dry bread, soft fruit, cheap warm beer. Oh yeah. You trace shapes in the gravel, I trace freckles on your nose. We stay too long in the sunlight, watch our shadows stretch across the road. I'm still taking it slow, let the road decide the show. Count the miles by stories, not the ticking of a clock on my phone. If it takes all night to get where we might go, I'm alright, I'm alright. Still taking it slow. Could rush through every postcard town, snap a picture, never look around. But I'd rather miss that perfect view than race right past this hour with you. I'm still taking it slow, let the road decide the show. Count the miles by stories, not the ticking of a clock on my phone. If it takes all night to get where we might go, I'm alright, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm alright, I'm alright. taking it slow. Dust on my boots, cold on my hands. Sky getting bigger the higher I stand. Breathe in the pine, breathe out the weight. Foot after foot on a patient incline. Up where the mountains exhale, I finally feel my own lungs slow. Silence is loud as a chapel bell ringing over the ridgeline snow. Here on these long high roads, I let the restless in me pale. I lose my hurt, lose my help, where the mountains head. Wind in my face, soft as a prayer. Clouds drift like pages of stories out there. Stone under palm, heart learning still. Nothing to chase, just the curve of the hill. Up where the mountains exhale, I finally feel my own lungs slow. Silence is loud as a chapel bell ringing over the ridgeline snow. Here on these long high roads, I let the restless in me pale. I lose my hurry, lose my help, where the mountains exhale. I used to race every sunrise, afraid to arrive too late. Here every second hangs wider, stretching the edges of fate. Up where the mountains exhale, I finally feel my own lungs slow. Silence is loud as a chapel bell ringing over the ridgeline snow. Exhale, I finally feel my own lungs slow. Silence is loud as a chapel bell ringing over the ridgeline snow. Here on these long high roads, I let the restless in me pale. I lose my rhythm, lose my health, where the mountains exhale. Mile marker 17, guardrail. Then the drop headlights paint the pines. World below just stops. Coffee in the cup holder, cooling as we climb. Radio just murmurs, I kill it for the quiet above the cloud line. All the noise falls out of view. Thin air, slow time, nothing here but road in you. Sky on the dashboard, city somewhere far behind. I can breathe again above the cloud line. Hairpin in the distance, red tail lights like sparks. Engine in a low hum, breath fogs up the glass. You trace a little window, circle in the steam. Say I could drive forever in between the scene and dream. Above the cloud line, all the noise falls out of view. Thin air, slow time, nothing here but road and you. Sky on the dashboard, every worry out of sight. I can feel us change above the cloud line. Maybe we've been living so close to the ground, chasing every echo of somebody else's sound. Here it's just our heartbeat, here it's just this climb. Turn another corner, leave another life behind. Above the cloud line, all the noise falls out of view. Thin air, slow time, nothing here but road and you. Sky on the dashboard, past like smoke in the rearview shine. Say you'll stay with me above the cloud line. Packed up the letters, left the frame, smiles face down. Every ghost in the doorway watched me walk out of that town. Dust in the rear view, old fears in the backseat. They keep calling my name, but they got nothing on my feet. Nothing pulls me back when the white lines run like water. Got the whole sky on my shoulders and it feels so light. Nothing pulls me back from the miles I never bothered. I was chained to every corner, now I'm driving through the night. Your words on the counter, coffee stains and half-truths. I forgave you in silence, then I forgave myself too. Now the wind knows my secrets, sings them low through the pines. I don't need a destination, just the courage to arrive. Nothing pulls me back when the white lines run like water. Got the whole sky on my shoulders and it feels so light. Nothing pulls me back from the miles I never bothered. I was chained to every corner, now I'm driving through the night. Every mile a little lighter, oh, every breath a little mine. All the weight I used to carry, falling off the side. Nothing pulls me back when the white lines run like water. Got the whole sky on my shoulders and it feels so light. Nothing pulls me back to the stories that I altered. Only open road and laughter and a quiet, steady mind. by the old stone wall, coffee cup on the dashboard shelf, boots and a flannel in a tangle, every little thing just being itself. Street lamp glow on the rear view frame, keys in a pile by my head, windows cracked for the summer air, crickets counting out the seconds in the bed. The van is quiet tonight, nothing but the ticking of the engine as it cools. The van is quiet tonight, the stars hanging heavy like a sky full of old news. My heart's a folded map, creased but lying open in this borrowed light. I'm alright. The van is quiet tonight. Sleeping bag zipped to my shoulders, phone on airplane, face down dark. Your last text saved in a corner, still feels like a fingerprint, faint little mark. Condensation on the ceiling, my breath drifting up in slow arcs. I whisper names of the towns we passed till they turn into a gentle kind of spark. The van is quiet tonight, nothing but the ticking of the engine as it cools. The van is quiet tonight, the stars hanging heavy like a sky full of old news. My heart's a folded map, creased but lying open in the borrowed light. I'm alright. The van is quiet tonight. Just to find a place to stay. Here between the highway signs, I finally hear what my own thoughts say. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The van is quiet tonight, nothing but the ticking of the engine as it cools. The van is quiet tonight, stars leaning close like they remember me too. My heart's a folded map, soft in the hands of something kind and bright. I'm alright. Yeah, I'm alright. The van is quiet tonight. Cool wind on my face, pine sap on my hands, boot prints in the dust, nothing I must plan. Clouds drift, then they fade, blue goes edge to edge. Every thought I chase slips right off the ledge. Clear skies, quiet thoughts, all that noise just falls away. Heartbeats slowing down, I could stay like this for days. Clear skies, quiet thoughts, mind finally comes to rest. Just breathing in this mountain air, doing nothing, feeling blessed. Ridgeline drawn in ink, far as I can see. Phone buried in my pack, out of reach of me. One bird in the sun, circling, taking time. Feels like I'm that light, drifting from my mind. Clear skies, quiet thoughts, all that noise just falls away. Heartbeats slowing down, I could stay like this for days. Clear skies, quiet thoughts, mind finally comes to rest. Just breathing in this mountain air, doing nothing, feeling blessed. Every little worry softly melts like snow. Up here I remember how to let things go. Clear skies, quiet thoughts, all that noise just falls away. Heartbeats slowing down, I could stay like this for days. Clear skies, quiet thoughts, mind finally comes to rest. Just breathing in this mountain